Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing new case study. For those who don't know, I'm Ali Reza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, a Big Ad certified advertising professional, expert and owner of a Google partner company, and we help clients with Google Ads disapprovals, Google Merchant Center suspensions, Google Ads suspension, and specifically we also help with Google Ads account management, setup, audit, optimization, Google for Business setup, audit issues, and with SEO issues. So we also help with landing pages as well. So we work with a variety of things as well. Again, me and my team. So in case if you need our services, you can hire us through the link in the description. Now get started to this amazing case study regarding Google Ads being disapproved for compromised site and past violation. So this was a case, for one of our website, and what happened exactly was, I'm going to show with you the whole case, and then we can discuss regarding those as well. So when the client gave to us the issue, I'm going to show you as well. No, this is not the thing which I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you over here. You can see over here that the ad website had a past violation error. You can see over here this is a past violation error over here, and then in case if you see over here that the website has a compromised site, failed. Now what happened is that when you have several failed issues with your website, then eventually website go into the past violation. So this was the case over here as well, and you can see over here that the website was not eligible for past violation. The past violation was compromised site. Now when the project was being given to us, what we did was we started doing our research, and there were a few things which we immediately figured out, and I'm going to show you as well. Was first of all, we had some landing page issues. The proper header footer things were missing. No information was given on the contact us page. The images had less quality, business information was missing, and a lot of dead links being found. And the contact us page was redirected to another page as well, which was also invalid. So there were a lot of invalid links, and a lot of work needs to be done. So yeah, what we did was me and my team, discussed with the client, and updated the changes. And on a simultaneously, we were in touch with the Google Ads as well regarding the approval of the case, and that we have around a 170 steps checklist to ensure, you may be seeing like 5 or 6 things over here, but when we do a detailed audit, we have a 170 plus step checklist, and it takes a lot of time for me and my staff to do the audit of the account. We carefully review in each and every aspect of the account, the website, the account history, if the guy have any other accounts as well, when did the error came on, it was today, it was tomorrow, or how many spend was done and then the error came, the domain is old or new, any domain issue, if the domain was blacklisted, someone created a domain, a website on it, or someone bought the domain and the old owner had some issues with the domain. So we have a thorough check regarding so many issues that if I started telling you 170 steps, it's going to take you long time. But that the website is suspended for compromise and past violation means that there are several issues on the website specifically related to malware scanner, and now the malware scanner, the error could be regarding plugin theme. Someone using malware theme, someone has put a virus on your website, or your security has been compromised, you are have not installed HTTPS, or somewhere there is a lack on security on somewhere on the website which is causing this issue. Now once we figured out, we started discussing with Google as well, and now this was a quick solution through Google. And if you scroll below, you can see over here as well that my staff member got, oh, hi Muhammad, I am, thanks for contacting Google. I support, I'm Lokesh, a Google Ads support specialist. I will be assisting you. I hope you are well. I attempted to reach you by phone but to discuss your Google ad campaign, but you were not available. I'm following up with this email. I'm concerned regarding about the policy issue in your Google Ads account. I noticed that your ads are distributed due to compromised site and identified some potential security concerns in your Google Ads account. I understand how important it is to keep your account safe, and I want to show you we are here to help. And our team has reviewed your website based on the manual dedicated approach through, because due to being a Google partner company, we dedicatedly been in touch with Google, and the latest scan of your domain came back as clean. This means your domain is completely free of any malware violation. The domain will be fully re-enabled to serve ads when the system sync in a few hours. We will be lifting the restrictions on your account regarding the compromised site issue within 1 to 2 days. We recommend making small changes to your ad and re-uploading the ads for faster processing. We understand how inconvenience this may have caused, so we are happy to have your ads back up and running. So yeah, this is another successful case study regarding Google ads now, you can see that the ad is now eligible. And if I show you as well, you can see that ads policy review is approved as well. And in case if you want to see a live review, I'm going to refresh the account over here as well. And so guys, you can see, once so you can see that policy review is being done, ads are improved, and impressions are on way. It may take 1 to 2 days, and then they can see impressions. Again, they may need a Google Ads audit management service to get started tweaking and see what results. So guys, in case if you need a professional help regarding Google Ads disapprove for any reason, for compromised site, psychopatic system, malware error, misrepresentation, the dishonest behavior, there are so many issues through you, which is why your ads can be disapproved. We are here to help. In case if you need help in Google Ads suspension, Google Merchant Center, Google Shopping Ads suspension, Google My Business suspension, or Google Ads management audit setup optimization, if you need any help, you can hire us through the link in the description, and me and my team will love to work to create you an amazing superb Google Ads campaign, or solve your existing issue regarding any disapproval or suspension with the Google. So yeah, I hope you like this video. In case if you have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, guys get a notification regarding this. So yeah, thank you for watching. And again, I'm calling out, in case if you need our services, you can hire us through the link in the description. Take care and bye bye.